Welcome to the very first episode of C NFT Watchlist, the series that I tell you guys about all the C NFTs on my watch list. And let's start this off with a massive bang by announcing the winner of 100 Cardano. Congratulations to Gabor. You won 100 Cardano. You were the first person to find the secret code in my last video. Reach out to me on Twitter within the next 24 hours, link in the description, and I will send over that money to you. Thank you so much and congratulations. The first project on this series is one that I'm very excited about. It's one that's about to mint, and that is of course Camel Club NFT. This is a project that has a lot of attention around it, a lot of hype, and the artwork is unique and, in my personal opinion, incredible. And you can see this artwork here is a good style of artwork. It's unique. It's a camel. I know we're seeing a lot of repetitive animals happening right now. To see something different is good, and it's an NFT that I'm planning to mint myself. Hopefully I can get one of these rare ones. I do think this project has a lot of potential, and they stand for a good thing. They are donating money to the Afghanistan refugees, and I'm fully behind that. I'm fully behind that they're donating that money also. So very good thing. They are minting on the 27th of October at 1900 UTC, and there are going to be 8,888 of these available for minting. Well, a few less than that actually, because I'm going to try mint one of these myself, so you might miss out. They do have a lot going on in the roadmap, and I want to quickly go over it very quickly, just talk about a few points before jumping into the next project. Like I mentioned, they're going to donate 5% of proceedings towards the Afghanistan refugee crisis appeal. They're also going to airdrop special edition NFTs to all Camel holders. They're going to split 3% royalties between holders and creators. They're going to begin designing limited edition parody charity series, Camel Club Wall of Fame, launch Camel Club Wall of Fame, donate 20% of seedings from Camel Club Wall of Fame to a children's hospital and Wild Camel Protection Foundation through a local safari partnership, launch Top Humps. This will be a head-to-head Pokemon style game where the camel holders battle each other using their own camel. Now, obviously we have a lot of promises here. Hopefully they're able to execute. This is the risk that we take with these NFT projects. There's a lot riding on the team themselves actually being able to fulfill what they say. If they are able to fulfill, I think this is going to be a fantastic project. They have a strong following on Twitter. They have a strong following in the Discord, and it is a project that definitely deserves to be on my watch list. The next project on this watch list is ADA Ninjaz, and this is a project that has been requested heavily by you guys for me to talk about, so I had to jump on and talk about them. I also managed to secure a partnership with the project to give away a free ADA Ninja on my Twitter right now. Link in the description. All you have to do is follow me in ADA Ninjaz, tag a friend, and retweet the post, and you get a chance of winning this NFT right here. Now, you're probably thinking, Dean, why are you telling us about a project that's already sold out? How are we going to mint this? How are we going to make money? Is there still money to be made in this? Well, I can't answer if there's still money to be made. Of course, you need to do your own research, but let me tell you why I needed to talk about this project. Firstly, the art separates it apart from anything else. I think that it goes without saying, this artwork style is absolutely incredible, and they have received a very positive response from the community, from the CNFT community, and we see that this project sold out very quickly. They had 8,888 of them. They sold out, but the reason why I'm speaking about them is because of the roadmap. I personally think it's going to create a lot more opportunity for this project, and I do think that it is an undervalued project right now. Of course, that is not financial advice. Do your own research before investing. What has got me so excited about this project, why I'm speaking about them, is because, like I mentioned, good artwork, fantastic community, but what about the roadmap? What was it that really got my attention? Well, it's the fact that they're really setting themselves apart from other projects in forms of content creation. They're working on theme music. They're making an ADA Ninjaz Origin Magna story, the story of the blacksmith. They're launching clothing labels. They're also going to do more soundtracks. They're launching season 2. So there's a lot here to read, and I'm going to leave all the links in my description for you to check them out for yourself. But what I'm very interested in is the fact that they're taking the step above in terms of content creation, and I think that as these comes out, as they're able to execute on these rather, then we will start to see the prices increasing, because people will be like, oh, hold on a second, this is a very good project. They're actually executing on what they're saying, and people are going to be buying in because they will see the value. So that's why this project made my watch list. And remember, check out my Twitter. You might be able to win one for yourself. It won't be a CNFT video without speaking about probably my most favorite project right now on the blockchain, and that is the Derp Birds NFT. The reason why I love this project is, aside from their awesome and unique art it's the community. This truly has one of the strongest communities in the NFT space right now, and I can prove that to you. I bet you right now in the comments on this video, you're going to see derp written everywhere, and that's just proof about the strength of this community. One thing that the development team did successfully that really did a good thing and really actually built this community, in my opinion, aside from having an awesome project, was when the Gingerbread Squad got rug pulled, they actually swapped the NFTs of those people. The people who got rug pulled, they swapped their NFTs for Derp Bird NFTs for free, and they really set a standard as to what the C NFT community is about. And as a result of that, we now have a project with a very, very strong community, a community that fully supports the project, and also an amazing roadmap with fantastic catalysts that are coming out. The thing that I'm looking forward to is something that's coming out in just a few days. On October 26th, we have chapter 2 of the Derp Birds roadmap, and that is the accumulation. Basically, you're able to get, as a Derp Birds holder, you have access to getting eggs which could potentially hatch into baby Derp Birds in the future. And like I always stress about projects and their roadmaps, I like accuracy, and we're seeing accuracy. We're seeing a clear date, October 26th, and we know that they're actively working towards that, because when I jump on the Discord, we have a recent progress update, and you can tell it looks pretty much ready to go, and there's a lot of excitement around it. So this is a project that I might be a bit biased on because I own it. However, I've been bullish about this project from a long time ago. I've made a video about them before I even owned them, and I was bullish back then. I remain bullish now. In fact, I think I'm even more bullish now. Of course, this isn't financial advice. Please do your own research and don't buy into any of the projects I speak about just because I speak about them. Do your own research. Don't invest more money than you're willing to lose, because a lot of these projects are high risk, and of course they could go down in value. So I don't want to see anyone getting mad at me for telling you. I'm just letting you guys know what I see. I made a video about this project the other day, and it's a project that I'm also bullish on. It's a project that I'm planning to mint, and that is Vudu Brigada. And the thing that really got my attention about the project is the art. We can see a very, very unique art style here. You can see in the fabrics, you can see the shadows, you can see even the background. Very, very unique, a fantastic art style, and I do think that alone sets this project apart from other things as well. Their website is extremely detailed, extremely well put together. They haven't made one of those 2-minute websites. They've really taken their time. Even here in this artwork, you can see that they've even put their NFTs in the windows rather. So fantastic job by the team so far. I did mention that I thought the roadmap did need a bit of improving. It's not too much detail. However, hopefully we do see improvement on that fact, and that would cause this project to be more successful in my opinion. Another thing I have to admit, I asked and I received when I checked this project out last time on the news section. They only had Ape Crypto. However, since then they've added more, including my projects that they've chucked me on their website. Thank you so much for listening, and it just proves that this project, the developers are listening. They're watching this video right now, and they're really trying to build up this strong community. So good on them for that. Thank you so much. I appreciate that. This is probably the most high demand, low supply project that there is on the Cardano blockchain right now, because they're only releasing on November 1st. They're only releasing 800 NFTs. That's all they're minting, which is absolutely crazy. And we're also going to have 20 full animations and 20 music tracks. So a real step above the competition. The fact that there's so little, the fact that there's so much demand, and the fact that they're doing full animation and music soundtracks tells me that this project could be successful. They are taking a strong stance in making this project above the rest. And with 3,798 followers on Twitter, a further 4,000 members on the Discord, you can imagine that buying one of these NFTs is going to be pretty hard to do. It's probably going to sell out in minutes. Of course, not financial advice. I'm always going to stress that to you guys. Do your own research. Can I just say that I absolutely love the art of this project. It does have that whole Claymates vibe, but they haven't copied it. It's very, very clear. They have their complete unique style, so they haven't copied Claymates at all. However, it does have that vibe, and again, extremely detailed artwork that I am trying to own. I'm going to try to mint this project. Am I going to get one? It's going to be hard. No doubt it's going to be hard. Remember, if you want to win one of those ADA Ninja NFTs, jump on the link in my description. I will see you all in the next video. If you want more NFT videos, just press here. This is a playlist of NFT videos by me. Also, subscribe to my channel. The button's here. It's free to do. So go ahead, do that now. And I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're still watching, you're an absolute legend. Jump on, click these links, watch these videos. You never know, you might find a big project.